Full force siya kanuing Police Regional Office 3 ken pamagbante ken Barangay at Sangguniang Kabataan Election 2023. Iniing sinigurado ng Police Brigadier General Jose Hidalgo Jr. keng merapata send-off ceremony dareng uniform personnel ang mag-duty king ngalalan keng Camp OLIVAS, Ciudad San Fernando, Pampanga, ngening Lunes, October 23.
As Police Regional Office 3 is charged with the vital task of ensuring the security and integrity of the upcoming Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections, the 13,160 men and women of PRO-3 equipped with essential resources hereby reaffirm our unwavering commitment to the principles that will guide our actions throughout the electoral process.
Maigit 10,500 lakanureng uniform personnel ang ma-assign kareng miyaliwang baryo king mabilog sa Central Luzon. Peka madakala reng may deploy king Nueva Ecija ang maigit 2,500. Bulacan na maigit 1,800 at Pampanga nung noka rin maigit 1,500 personnel reng may assign.
Our mission is to safeguard the democratic process and we will do so with honor and dedication. We vow to contribute to an electoral process that is fair, transparent, and free from any form of coercion, harassment, or manipulation.
Samantala, bukod kareng uniform personnel na ning gobyerno, maragula naman kanusaw keng pamagprotekta keng kekatamong demokrasya, reng talaturo ang mag-duty keng eleksyon agpang naman kang Attorney Temi Lambino, ing Regional Director na ning COMELEC Central Luzon.
As individuals entrusted with the task of ensuring fair and transparent elections, we have a significant role to perform. Our duties may vary from voter registration and education, that is part also of the duty and obligation of the Department of Education, ballot counting and result verification, and securing not only the voters, not only the candidates, not only the resources of the government, but the whole process of elections.
Sinigurado na naman ning pamuntok ning polba di keti rehiyon ang makasadyala para king Barangay at Sangguniang Kabataan election ang marapat keng daratang October 30.
We will not falter because we are prepared. We will not falter because we are committed. We will not falter because we were born to protect and secure this beloved nation's democracy. Thank you.
Aking kakain talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalen.